Alright, good afternoon. Here is a hyperlink review. I know the last PowerPoint was really long, so I'm just going to give you a short version of how I want your My Favorite Things PowerPoint. Good morning and shout out to my first period B-Day class because I'm filming right now. Alright, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to open up my example PowerPoint, which is My Favorite Things. They're not my favorite, but you'll see why. I put that in a minute. Okay, so first off, what you're going to do is, remember, you got to put pictures on your first page, then create a slide for each picture. Alright, now, what I'm going to do is we're going to right-click. Remember, right-click the side of your mouse. This is how you hyperlink. Okay, so I right-click. Click Hyperlink. Remember, click Place in this document. See my mouse? Place in this document. Click here. Then that was my making sure. So I'm going to link this because I clicked the fried chicken one. My favorite fast food is Chicken Express. That is correct. So I click OK. Now I'm going to go to the Chicken Express slide. Right click. Click Hyperlink. Place in this document. And link that one to My Favorite Things. Now I'm going to do it to my next slide. So now I'm going to right-click the picture of my dog, click Hyperlink, then I'm going to click I Love My Puppy, click OK. Now I'm going to go to my I Love My Puppy slide, click Hyperlink, then we're going to link it back to My Favorite Things. Now let's go to this slide. So now I'm just going to do this. Now you're just going to watch me hyperlink the whole thing, and hopefully you get it from there. Yeah. Sorry, I was interrupted. Alright. So I was hyperlinking the Christmas one. There we go. I am going to beat them in fantasy football. I'm going to beat these losers. Winning. Alright. Now let's make sure all of my pictures link to My Favorite Things on my other slides. Okay, so that one already has a hyperlink. Let's double check it. So when you want to check your hyperlink, there you go. Alright, that has a hyperlink. That has a hyperlink. Alright, now let me show you the end product. When you want to see if your hyperlinks work, I'm going to make this smaller so you can see the button. So, look, do you see? Really, computer? Alright, I want you to check out this button. Oh my goodness. I love it when things do this. Alright, there's like a really small button at the bottom of your screen. You see where my mouse is right there? It says slideshow. Anytime you want to check your hyperlinks or any presentation, you want to click slideshow. I also have a lot of my first period classes talking right now, so I hope you can hear me. Okay. So when you click slideshow, this is how you check your hyperlinks. So this is what you want your first page to look like. I'm going to beat them in fantasy. So you want every slide to hyperlink to each other. It is crucial we nail this because your final PowerPoint has to be in this format. That's all I got. Happy Friday, and to those of you who are finishing up, probably happy Monday, and yeah, I will see you when I see you.